It's fantastic. Until I've managed to sign, it was always nervous, you know, that you want to get something over the line, and once it's over the line, finally you can relax and enjoy it. It's a fantastic and an honour for me to be appointed manager of such a club with such prestige history, and looking forward to trying to implement immediate but also long-term success at the club.
Penodiad diddorol iawn, ond ti'n bod os na ddim dwywaith efo enthusiasm sydd gan Sam, proffesiynol dros ben, trefnus. Fydd o ar dan I fod yn dechrau yrfa ag cyfle bendigedig iddo fo mewn clwb mor fawr o Wrecsam.
If you look at the fan base and where this club can go, it can hold itself in the league above this, it can hold itself in the league above that again, but everything has to start somewhere, and nothing worth doing is ever easy. It isn't going to be easy, it's going to be extremely hard work for myself and everyone at the club, but if we can start getting the wheels in motion, going in the right direction, building some momentum, you know, this club has real potential.
Rwy'n ifanc, rwy'n newydd, digon o brofiad yn y gêm, syniadau gwahanol ysyn ni'n dybio, ac fyddai'n disgwyl tan y gêm gyntaf I gweld be mae Sam yn gallu dod i'r clwb.
The reason I'm here is to get promotion. That is my goal as a player, and that is my goal as a manager as well, and it's to get this club promoted. Is it going to be easy? No. Will I do everything I can to give us the best of possibility? Of course I will. That is my drive every day.